Hello friends, what's up? This is your tech dot. Today I will explain the top 5 generative AI tools, the most useful application in 2024. Today topic. Now I will explain. What is Generate AI? The Generate AI is the substrate artificial intelligence that can produce content different formats rather than designing as easy to use generating AI tools creative needs. So far, generating AI tools can be produce text, image, music, audio, video, and codes. However, the time technology's future expected makings and creative tools are the pair behind the company. How does generating AI tools work? The generating AI tools works by using machine learning language models. They learn pattern of relationship from the data set. This data set usually human creative content. So program can be trained generative tools performance all the repeated creative tasks. For example, it can help you write the perfect job application, create an image, learn finish style. Whatever data that already existed, those AI generated tools can be unique and give you similar outcomes. However, this also means the tools have to create limitations. So far can neither give you absolute unique ideas nor a performance tasks that they are not trained. Therefore, you can often result is repeated and occasionally generate AI courses often these topics helping learn to explore how to technology actually works. This description and the description of the comparison, the workflow of the management science tools. This description editing videos feel simplify working with the document side and broadcasting effortless editing, multitasking, audio similar editing document. This screen recording are the instantly capturing the editor of the share. Transparent speed and accurate is the powerful correction tools. This content be the response to use templates suitable more. Feature providing description. This description powerful AI feature element videos broadcast. First, you can simultaneously video by editing text, description, transferable video content. This is the second with AI voice cloning. You can create your ultra realistic AI voice clones and generate text to speech and matter to second. Additional description to studio quality sounds with just a one click through studio sound features. It remove background noise and possible to audio instantly. Last, the green screen effect always you to remove your video backgrounds, place, subject anywhere in simple clicks. The feature of helpful wide range of users including content creators, podcasters, filmmakers, education list and businessmen and anyone to look enhance this video audio content creating process can benefit of the description into the tool and powerful AI. This Compose AI is a power writing tool. It is plugin and the generate text using the artificial intelligence to complete sentence type of speed of the process writing emails and the documentation charting is who can integrate the tool into existing platform tools suite or save time. These tools used by marketers, content creators, writers, business people generating content. This tool, the chart zone. This chart zone powerful features you want to insert any your PDF document or links, drag and drop. File Costone is asked for quick summary. You can even chart your image in chart zone. Accept images into the response to your query you have about them. It also create AI images, delivery high quality output qualities. Just to make it easy to stay organized with advanced note taking and keeps conversions following the smart flows of the questions. Two top reasons. One is exclusively used a seamless integrated with real-time Google search, allows direct chart functionality in the PDF document and images. It provides quick, effective summarization web pages, smooth reprocessing audio files, writing icon you mean like voiceover and consider writing your brand voice as well as create AI images. Designing AI. Designing AI, you can produce logos, videos, banners, and makeup using AI just into minutes. This platform simplify your workflow, save times, and reduce cost. Designing AI is a platform that uses AI to help your creative edit and scale content effortless. You will get your creative tool just one place. Tools such as face surf, the smoothly integrated your face into a picture to or video. Logo makers, this launch your brand with a unique logo and full brand identity kit using in the AI generated. Image maker, the create customer image effortless from the ideas with your text to image generator. There are many more creative tools such as video maker, speech maker, maker, AI writers. The more advanced tools is suitable for content creator, including influence, small business, startup, education, enterprises, agencies, and more. Now let us discuss MIDI journey. The MIDI journey is the cool AI tools. It is to tech allows describe what you want words and turn this description stunting pictures. So using advanced logarithm turn words unique artwork. The mid use the machine learning algorithm. Interrupted analyzing data can be informed text to audio image is the after generating data algorithm. Use generate new images, sounds, other media types of based pattern on this data. And it is example that transparent your imagination in the AI generating art moving on to Gutenberg. So, it is the Thomas can craft presentation less time. It is AI drive feature. The personalized tool simplify creating sales and marketing material, leave lasting impressed forms, advanced AI capability to effortless generating presentation pages, images, and emails. The founder, creator, designing, product, sales, pitch desk, personalized marketing, education, career more. Next of this list of designing AI. The GitHub Copilot. This GitHub Copilot Microsoft Open is this English and translate between the programming language. It is the Artist Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio is the ZBrain integrated development environment. The auto-completing codes, it works Python, JavaScript, and the Ruby and Go. This Alpha Code, Boeing the AI competitive program, it is server, virtual assistant, and the guide program. Through Alpha Code, leave the machine learning algorithm analyzing. How can business use generate AI tools? This content creator AI tool we write inside blogs, social media posts, and product description. Data analyzers. This tool can be completely abolition mass volume of data in few minutes. It can help identify pattern much faster, make two decisions to make more effective. Eliminating customers' experience. With the AI chatbot, Compare is providing 24/7 customer support and analyzing customer feedback and infinity. Planning and strategy. The strategy is the tool of the using the product development based creative markup. Simultaneously different marketing scenario. It is while generating tools is the about a more. It is called prompts processing result. Is reason to prompt engineer roles become on the most popular in jobs, along with beginning equal popular no code jobs. Gemini is also capable generating image, so it is generating image playful puppy from the snapshots above. The Gemini has created pictures puppy. Satisfied them, you can ask from the images. Drive range of individual professional utilize brand include writers, bloggers, marketers, educators are this using the Brain. The Brain is a generating AI tool developed by OpenAI. It is the simplify repeated talks effortlessly. It is the No need to complicated builders or scripting. You will be what you need, and it is task is the time. It is works with many apps and the websites make your task areas. The brand is streamless, working seamless across various roles. The managers, sales team, and recruiters, founders, marketing recharge, and the repeated talks and get more done efficiency. What is the function of bot? This is the bot you can connecting data, action from the app, automatic task another also. It works with many popular apps making your work easy. The bot can also task in your app's website like filling out a form, sending messages, creating reports, workflow like chain action triggering, change in your app, then handle repeated tasks. You are free of your time, more important things. Dial E2. This AI system OpenAI just use this Dial E2 is the AI system for OpenAI use deep learning methodology then can be produce realistic image at the just by describing them natural language. This diet learn from examples so you can describe what you want. Neutral languages get different images and art. You can also make change exactly picture using the input tool. Replace this photo of image with AI generating image. Below is example. The Dial E tool used creative content generating, used artists, designers, marketing, educating developers and assistant with generating visual content, creating arts, designing graphics, explore, and creative possible using AI technologies. Type Studio. This Type Studio flexible editing tool is broadcast streaming interviews and other types of content, video editing that allows you to edit your videos by simply editing text transcript from the video. Types of Studio is the range of features including auto subtitle, transcript videos, converting videos to articles, converting text to articles, translating subtitles, add image to video broadcast, voiceover, editing podcast with advanced AI drive features too. Type Studio is a seamless editing process enable content creator broadcast business producing high quality videos with minimum effect. Then next on your list is dictation. Reparis AI. This Reparis AI tool is used the can effortless turn your text into video. You can create professional look videos that digital avatar minute in the complex product you need. The first pick your favorite digital avatar, then added your message, finally read your video with this studio. This 40 languages allow you to create high quality videos animation that personal can speak using the only text into input. Who using marketing and content writer, creators and platform like a YouTubers, businessmen and generating videos, content quickly efficient. Synthesis. This synthesis AI videos is platform 130 languages. It is the 160 read to use options to can create image video instantly. You can choose 160 characters to make your video more interesting. Then customize avatar outfit, logos. Represent tools will also create subtitles videos with the manual also replace your voice. How to use synthesis. This synthesis is present video and your script. Selected language, keep generating videos, customize AI avatar color prompts and the MP4 format get share links. Synthesis use cases. This synthesis used widely in industrial creating image video content, streamless various tasks learning, information technology, sales, customer service, marketing, entrepreneur training, communication and advertising. Please subscribe my TechDude channel. Please like my TechDude channel. Thanking you once again, your TechDude.